Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Waving hand, if you love shopping on AliExpress and saving money, this video is for you. Today I'm going to share the latest official AliExpress promo codes and coupons that can help you get great discounts on many popular products. Shopping cart money bag, these deals are available for a limited time, so make sure you watch the video and grab the promo codes before they expire.